Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I am not going to make any electronic project. In today's video, I want to show you what inside this electric tester and what is the purpose of this electric tester. Actually, we need to test flow of current, flow of AC current. We need this tester. And today's video I want to show you what inside this electric tester. Now let's open it and I will show you what inside this electric tester. There's spring. There is neon bulb. When we check flow of current, neon bulb is glowing. And the resistor. And that's all about it. And there is metal rod. So friends, that's all about this video.